honorable person to come and speak about his title, Muhammad Rasulullah Hatimun Nabiyyin, his last khutbah on the 9th of Zulhijjah. So please come forward to the stage. Captain Muhammad Hassan, come here.
حامدا ومصليا ومسلما أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اليوم أكملت لكم دينكم وأتممت عليكم نعمتي ورضيت لكم الإسلام دينا. The title of my speech is the last sermon of Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. O people, lend me an attentive ear, for I know not whether after his year I shall ever be amongst you again. Therefore listen to what I am saying to you very carefully, and take this word to those who could not be present here today. Beware of Satan for the safety of your religion. Your lives and property are a sacred trust amongst yourselves until you appear before your Lord. And remember, you shall have to appear before your Lord, who shall demand from you an account of all your actions. You have rights over your views and your vows. Have rights over you. Treat them with kindness and affection. Be faithful to each other and do not commit sins. Allah has forbidden you to take usury. Therefore, all interest application shall henceforth be word. Thank you. Wassalam.